Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today working on a Toyota Corolla 2014. I'm going to change the tie rod end. I'm going to need a 24, a 19, a pick, a hammer, and an impact to take off the wheel. So the issues this car was having, it's you could totally tell that the tie rod end was broken. Pretty wiggly. You could totally feel it in the steering wheel. But as I removed the cotter pin and started working on it, you can totally tell what was wrong with this thing. Right here, it just snaps right off. So any day it would have broke right off anyways. So when you remove them, you want to thread them off and count how many times you're threading them off. So every time it's facing upwards, I'm counting 1. So I think it was like 14 or 13, like that, something around there on this one. And if you get it in there pretty good, you don't have to do your alignment, but it's always a good idea to redo your alignment anyways. But with this car, I didn't have to redo the alignment. It was driving pretty straight after I was done. After removing it, I do like to line them up to make sure that they are the same in length and that they are the correct part. Shopping on Amazon, you never know. As you can see here, this thing had no life left. This was an accident, I think, or they must have ran over a curb or something. I must have broke that. It takes a lot of force to break those things like that. Anyways, let's get this thing back on. So same amount of threads that I took off, that's what I'm going to count back on. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.